67 days to go for me to go on mission to Guinea-Bissau. And today we're doing another throwback. This time of a very unique but fun excursion I had with one of my midwife colleagues from the Likuni Mission Hospital in Malawi when I was there in 2019. And this was during our lunch break, where I thought we were going to get ready to eat lunch, but instead we got dinner that still needed to be prepared from scratch. You'll understand.
Which one?
And so I've learned that the next time somebody in Malawi, and apparently as well Guinea-Bissau, invites me during lunchtime to go get chicken, I will bring my own lunch. Ciao.